Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to eat organic peanut butter. First, ensure your organic peanut butter is well mixed, as natural separation of oils can occur. A good stir ensures a consistent texture and flavor throughout the jar. This simple step makes a big difference in your eating experience. Get ready to enjoy a wholesome and tasty treat. The most direct and arguably the only way to truly savor organic peanut butter is straight from the jar with a spoon. This method allows you to appreciate its pure, unadulterated flavor and smooth consistency. It's a quick, easy, and incredibly satisfying snack that requires no extra preparation. Just grab a spoon and dig in. While eating it plain is fantastic, you can also enhance your organic peanut butter experience with simple pairings. Try spreading it on a slice of apple or a banana for a delightful combination of flavors and textures. Dipping celery sticks offers a satisfying crunch. These additions complement the peanut butter without overshadowing its natural goodness. To keep your organic peanut butter fresh and delicious, store it properly. A cool, dry pantry is ideal before opening. Once opened, refrigeration can help maintain its quality and prevent oil separation, especially in warmer climates. Enjoy your organic peanut butter regularly to ensure you're always getting the best flavor and texture from every spoonful.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.